how to draw a minion. That's what I'm going to be showing you today. And the first thing we want to do is start off with two large circles. These are going to be our minion's eyes. So start out with two circles here, and then inside each of those circles we want to draw another smaller circle. And I'm putting these ones a little bit on the bottom of those first circles, but it's okay if yours are right in the middle. And then we want to do one more circle, and we're going to fill this one in, and if you can, leave a little white dot inside of it. Next thing that we're going to do is basically follow those two circles that we made to form the goggles of our minion. And I get it real close on this side over here. That's okay though. It doesn't have to look perfect. It's still going to end up looking like a minion in the end. Then we're going to go ahead and start to draw the top of our minion's head by coming out of the left eye and down, and then doing that same thing on the bottom of the left eye. We can go ahead and draw these little rectangles for the goggles, and we're going to fill that last one in. And then I like to use where I stopped on the head as a marker where I'm going to put the little smiley face. Put some of these little hairs on top of our minion. It'll be a fun thing to do next. And now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to continue this line down because I want this minion to be a little bit taller here. Then we're going to angle this in and then come out, go down and around, and then back up. And again, we're going to angle this in, and then we're going to come out and around and then connect it down there. We're going to put a circle in each one of these. All right, this is going to be our minion's overall straps right here. Then we can just draw a line that connects both of those straps. I like to start on the arms next, and I just kind of draw this little V shape. And then I draw another little V shape right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a little line for the glove just so I can kind of see where everything is going to match up. But then I'm going to start to extend this line down. And then before I get too far, I'm going to do that same thing on the other side. So I'm going to draw a V kind of facing the other way. And then again, I'm going to draw another V. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a little marker for the glove right here. And this glove is actually going to be kind of on the inside of the markers or the minion's hip. Now I'm going to go ahead and continue that line, kind of bulb it out a little bit, and then start from the glove, bulb it out a little bit, bring in both of our legs, pants here, vertical lines upwards, and now we can just draw this little curved line to end the pants. A line that goes up a little bit more on the left. And then forming the pocket right here. And the last thing we can do is go ahead and bring these down, curve them in towards the gloves, and draw a line on each side. I can also close off my minion's body here by drawing a line from basically the armpit down to the glove. And I can finish up that other glove on the other side. To do these shoes, we're just going to draw a little curve like this, bring it back, and then go straight up. And then we just connect a line. Again, we're going to do a little curve, bring it back, and then go straight up, and connect it down here. And if we want to give like a kind of a little rubber sole, we can just follow that line all the way until the boot goes straight up. And there you have it. That's how you draw a minion. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.